Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a brief video just to let you know guys, for many of you who might have not seen my post, because I'm not sure if you can see or everybody can see my community post. This is basically to let you know that I have created a website, a community website of, well, for preppers and for anybody who wants to start prepping or who's already prepping, basically just to share the information, share the knowledge and share anything as a community. So anyway, I'll put the link below. It's basically anasfoodchannel.com. On the website we have a forum which is still new, don't forget, it's only been going for about a couple of weeks, so we have a forum which is new, so please subscribe. I have a blog which we've got a couple of posts in there, but my aim will be to create quite a few blogs for A, from the videos, and B, from some other things, but create more sort of information blog, so you can see if you don't have time to watch the videos, you can pop in at any time and read. We're gonna have the information page of the helpful resources. It's basically going to be a combination of really good and some things already out there of the websites that I think will be really helpful for many of you. I have page there for the suggested products. This is going to be my Amazon, or it is my Amazon affiliate page. So basically I'll earn a little commission if you click through the link and buy the products. The products are there, are products that I've bought myself, or the products I continually buy myself, and the things that I have done, potentially purchased or done a review and I'm really happy with. So it's a list of them in there with the pictures and the link straight to Amazon. It's nothing complicated, doesn't cost you anything there, but if any of you wanted to know, so whatever products I buy, the whole list of them there, so you don't have to kind of search for anything else. And I'm also going to have a shop. It's currently not inactive, but it's going to be there. I'm going to be selling, so I'm not going to really give it away, but I'm not really going to be selling my labeled merchandise. Is not what this is going to be about, but again, it's going to be the products that hopefully are going to be helpful to you guys. And yeah, I'm not going to give away too much as well. And one thing as well guys, because obviously I partner up with a lot of companies, so I will be doing a lot of giveaways with the videos. And the best way I found that for me to do it, and obviously to be fair, that I know you guys register, is if you're registered on the website, obviously you watch the video, so I will talk about the giveaway and the products I'm giving away or reviewing, and then the giveaway will be taking place on the website, so you have to be registered on the website to be taking part. And I strongly guys suggest, please join the community. It is a new website, it's still got a lot of work to do, but I'm paying for the space, it's kind of there, so I want you to, if you can, just put some input there, go and put some posts up, just basically just join the community. But the main thing, when you do register guys, you will be participating in the giveaways, and I've got some awesome things coming up that are going to be sent for review, and the sponsored giveaways by companies which I think you hopefully will enjoy. So anyway, I'm going to finish this one, website link down there or down there, whatever else, I put it everywhere. Please just go in there, sign up, and I will see you hopefully there guys very soon. All right, bye bye.